Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to add smileys and emojis in Gmail, giving your emails a touch of fun and expressiveness. To start, open your Gmail account and click on the Compose button to create a new email. Now, please compose your email, and while composing your email, look for the smiley face icon at the bottom of the formatting toolbar. This is where the emojis await. Now, once you click on the smiley face icon, a window will pop up. Consists of variety of emojis. Now, browse through the different categories or use the search bar to find the perfect emoji. So here you can select here. This is the categories. And then you can select it, this one. See, that's how you add emojis. You can add as many emojis as you like to your email. They're a great way to convey emotions and make your messages more engaging. And that's it. You now know how to add smileys and emojis in Gmail, adding a touch of personality to your emails. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to add smileys and emojis in Gmail. See you on my next video.